How to fix the finals error code TFLA0002. First right-click on the finals game and click on Properties. Click on Verify integrity of game files and wait for the process to complete. Try launching the game as usual. If that didn't work, troubleshooters are excellent tools that can ease the remediation process of various Windows issues. When dealing with network issues, you should employ a network troubleshooter as follows. If that didn't work, right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, video drivers are extremely important when it comes to gaming, so make sure they are updated. If that didn't work, Preferred DNS server, 8.8.8.8. Alternate DNS server, 8.8.4.4. Click OK. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.